Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a practical and creative solution for maximizing space in your home. Understair storage ideas. Whether you live in a cozy apartment or a spacious house, the area under your stairs often goes unused. But fear not, because we have gathered some brilliant ideas to transform this overlooked space into functional storage that not only saves space but also looks great. One of the simplest and most effective ways to utilize the space under your stairs is with built-in shelves and cabinets. These can be custom designed to fit the exact dimensions of your staircase and provide ample storage for books, shoes, or even decorative items. You can opt for open shelves to display your favorite books and decorations, or choose closed cabinets to keep things neatly tucked away. Another fantastic understair storage idea is installing pull-out drawers. These are perfect for storing shoes, toys, or seasonal items like hats and gloves. The beauty of pull-out drawers is that they make it easy to access items stored at the back without having to rummage through everything else. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and leave a comment below, sharing your favorite understair storage idea or any question you may have. Until next time, happy decorating.